Hi there, welcome to my trades today, and today I got some cool trades that we're still into and some that we managed to catch in last week, and they're already closed already. So I got some gold action here, I got some US30 action here, I got some USDZAR action, and I got some GBPNZD action. So I'm just going to kick it off with the gold because we managed to get this last week, right? So gold last week, this was Monday into Tuesday and then going into Wednesday. So we managed to catch this trade going into Wednesday. As you can see, we had a little rally going up until like say midday there, and then it started falling back to the bottom here, right? So how did this happen? So I managed to open just because I cannot edit on the video, so I got this for you. I managed to label this chart for you guys. So this is the gold chart, the same chart that we're looking at, right? So what happened? So we had divergence here, right? This here we have divergence here, 1 and 2, right? On 1 and 2, 1, 2 here, divergence. This is 1 and this is 2 there. So we have divergence here, and then it starts going up. So once it starts going up, market sentiment opened positive. We know that we are looking for a buy situation now going up. So we had an entry right there. We had two entries actually. So this was the first trade here exactly at day open, and then it managed to go up, as you can see, and then it did a little retracement, and then this was the second entry. Now again, as you can see, market sentiment is still going up, right? And then here we have exactly on our buy line here, on our buy situation. So we managed to get in again here. So as I always say, take 100, take 50, move your stop loss. That's what's up. So the first trade, we managed to hold it all the way through to 170 pips from here to there, and then the second trade entry was there, going all the way up as well to 100 pips. So take 100, take 50, and then you're out, or stop loss on 100, as you can see there. It even tried to rally up a little bit, but then it retraced back. So this was a cool 170 pips, and that's what's up. So next up, I've got some GBPNZD action, right? This is GBPNZD. What's happening on GBPNZD? We have divergence happening. Not only do we have divergence on Tuesday here, right? We also have this Tuesday into Thursday, right? So Thursday is diverging with Tuesday, right? And then it starts rolling down. So as you can see here, right exactly on day open, that's when I got it after the second candle actually, or better yet, when I woke up early in the morning. It was around 9 a.m. opening of London session. Then I managed to catch a retrace there, and then I only got in there. So we've been holding in since Friday last week. Right now it's sitting on 100 pips, right? That's what's up. So this is 100, stop loss is at 50 already, and then we'll let it swim down a little bit because it looks like it wants to actually go a bit lower, but as well it's diverging at the bottom now. So it's not sure as well if market sentiment is positive or negative here, so we're just going to hold on a steady 50 there and then see what's up. And then next up, I've got some US30 action. So US30, as you can see, we've been holding this trade since Monday last week. As you can see, Monday last week here. This is where our entry was right there. Right, why is this so? Why was this the entry here? Damn, this was very close, right? This was taken on a 4-hour chart, right? So the 4-hour chart looks like this. This is how the 4-hour chart looks like. So what's going on here? We had divergence happen before, and it was disrespected, right? It was blown out. So we had divergence happen 2 weeks ago, and then it was disrespected, went up, and then price started falling high. So as you can see, after it blew out this divergence, it never even returned back, right? It just went up, all the way up, and then now it's retracing back. So that's why we're still holding on to this, because this was disrespected, and it must try to come lower as the weeks go by as well, so it would be a good steady hold, right? So anyway, I went down there, market sentiment goes negative. This is a 4-hour chart. It's the same thing that we do when we're looking at a 1-hour chart. So market sentiment goes negative, and then we managed to catch our trade there exactly on a Monday, right? We're still in the mix. So right now we're still chilling on this 36,000 pips, right? That's what's up. So it covers a lot of all the other forex pairs that we usually take 100, take 50 on. We're getting 6,000 on this one, so that's what's up. So stop loss is probably moved all the way to about 4,000 pips, and then we just hold it steady there, right? And then last but not least, I've got the USDZAR, right? USDZAR was a buy on a Sunday, so it was Sunday when the markets opened here. We had divergence already. We had divergence Wednesday into Thursday. We are diverging into Friday. We're even diverging, right? So I love going with the trend most of the times, but then if it looks juicy like this, I cannot resist. I have to take it. So this is what happened here. It was a nice buy situation. The spread was about 50 pips when I woke up. So right now I can see it's a bit behaving, so I don't understand. But when I took this trade, the spread was about 50 pips. So you can imagine that's really crazy. But then anyway, it never really went out much because it opened with a gap as well. After the entry there was a big gap, then I was like yay, and then it played in. So right now I'm sitting on a steady 80 pips, so we're still moving with it. We're just going to hold it for about 2 days. Today I'm going to exit it by tomorrow or by the end of today, because I think that's the highest it might want to go before it tries to retrace maybe for one more time. So that's what's up. Consistency is the only currency that matters here. So I've got an 80 pip run here, I've got a 6,000 pip run here. We managed to catch some here, and then I've got 100 pip run here. I think now it's over 100, and now I've got 100 pip run here. So that's what's up. So I'll be back later on in the week. As I said, some of these trades now we're just catching them as we go by. Consistency is the only currency that matters. We're doing one thing and we're perfecting one thing only, so that's why we are being consistent. So I'll be back, as I said, later on with another episode of some juicy trades that would have taken and some money made as well in the process. So thank you guys for watching. Forward my videos to any hardworking trader that you know out there that you think might be interested in being consistent as well. So let's all make money, and thank you for watching. I hope you have an awesome week, and goodbye.